Watch the video until the end and you will find a big gift for
Are you
you.
tired of feeling burned out after exercise? We have the solution for you. Introducing our new exercise program that takes the burn out of your workouts. No more sore muscles or fatigue. Get ready to enjoy exercise like never before. Our expert trainers will guide you through each workout, ensuring a safe and effective experience. Say goodbye to the burn and hello to a revitalized body and mind. Join our exercise program today and start enjoying the benefits of a burn-free workout. Don't let burnout hold you back. Take control of your exercise routine with our innovative program. Experience the joy of exercise without the burn. Sign up now and transform your fitness journey. Exercise shouldn't leave you feeling exhausted. With our program, you'll feel energized and motivated. Start your burn-free exercise journey today. Visit our website or contact us for more information.
Take charge of your health and transform your body with our powerful Keto app. Download now and start your journey to a healthier you. We'll find the link in the description.